winter birds. Love of my life, let go of my hand, about to be reborn. Through the canal to the other side, not sure who I'll be. Lit us furious, so madly in love, we burned our 1,000 suns. It's time to cleave the fruit from the vine. Destiny. I was 11 when my father left my sister's mom on me.
Oh my God, Jeff thinks that too.
I'm as old now as he was, and don't have to set me free.
But that's why.
Love and death are the curious things.
You're all brave, but
Life you can't be sure.
that kind of gig.
A ship is but a building until
I'm working with like
it leaves the shore.
I'm working with, or not working, I'm opening for like
Close out.
Have his watch and his old cologne. Polaroid of him waving by.
Katie Smith, I've actually
All the phones hanging off their hooks. Mama, don't you cry.
Might take a year, take two.
Does the sun in the sky need love? Is the moon up there all alone? How can the man in his cell be more free than the king upon his throne? Born in the trouble as the sparks fly upward. Fate trumps mystery. Looking for a home, but we're bound to leave. Home will never be. I've been singing this road song so long. The one my daddy taught us. You've been standing by the clothesline since summer. See what them winter birds grows.
Better not be.
I was not yet.
She'd be grounded.
Let me go, and as you float away, take a look down at your feet. As the earth drops from view, you realize it's you set free.
Because if it was hers, I would have said you found it.
I know. I know.